On behalf of Herbert Hoover, Dr. Russell Lee accepts from Treasury Secretary Snyder the Humanitarian Award of the Variety Clubs International, awarded to Mr. Hoover for his noble endeavors on behalf of humanity. Then there's a variety roundup and rodeo for the 1,000 delegates gathered in San Francisco for the 13th annual convention of the Variety Clubs, the heart of show business, which last year spent over $2 million helping children. The cowboys ride 'em for a worthy cause in a rodeo that's packed with thrills. Hey, what goes on here? This bronc forgot how to buck.